Hello everyone and welcome back to my channel. Today I thought I would share with you how to create the perfect baby registry. Two good friends of mine are expecting their first baby next year and I'm super excited for them. And I thought I will share the strategy that I follow to create my baby registry. When I created my baby registry about a year ago, I had never contributed to a baby registry, had never been to a baby shower. My baby is the first niece, nephew, grandkid on my side of the family, so I had no clue what a baby needed or how I was gonna create a registry and help other people help us get all the baby stuff that we needed. The first step that you have to take is think about the platform that you want to have your baby registry on. For example, you have Target, you have Amazon, Buy Baby, Kohl's, Babylist. There's many online or non-online platforms, although online is probably what we're gonna go for these days, right? But you can choose according to your needs the best platform that works for you. We went for Amazon Registry. That was the best option for us, and I'm going to be sharing very soon how I created our Amazon Registry if you're curious and you are also interested on Amazon. But you have many other options if you don't like the Amazon system or you're not a Prime member and you want to do it some other way. I think Target is also a great option for what they offered, but again, that's up to you. You have to look into what are the advantages or discounts or things that make one platform more appealing than another for you personally. So I'll say the first big step that you gotta take and the first big decision is decide which platform works best for you. Second step, explore. And what do I mean by exploring? Well, to me, that looked like spending hours and hours and hours and hours on Pinterest, finding baby list. What does my baby need? Baby registry. And I searched tons and tons of Pinterest lists, ideas of nurseries, diaper bags, hospital bag, things like that I searched on Pinterest and just went image after image after image, trying to find things and look details and find the best tips and hacks and things that my baby was going to need or that I was going to need as a new mom, and save everything on one folder specifically for the baby registry. You can do the exact same thing with Amazon. You can search baby, you can search diapers, you can search baby clothes, whatever you want on Amazon, and keep it on a list so you can get your favorite things, the things that you suddenly like out of the blue are driving somewhere and you're like, oh, my baby's gonna need a diaper bag, and you just find diaper bag and put it on your Amazon list very quick. And so you will have all that information together for when you start actually creating your registry. You have the Pinterest ideas, you have your Amazon list, and you can go more quickly from there. Also, it's a great tip to ask other parents what the things they need, what things they didn't think they needed but actually ended up needing and had to like rush and buy at last minute. Things like YouTube reviews are very helpful. You can like search on YouTube, what do I need for my baby registry, diaper bag, baby hospital bag, and get ideas from those people. Also to review products, that's the best way. You can also read reviews. For example, Amazon always works great with their reviews, but if you don't want to read Amazon reviews, if you think are between two strollers, for example, or a diaper bag, search images, videos, footage, reviews, opinions on Amazon or on Pinterest. Those are the two places that I would usually go for. YouTube is also a great resource. Number 3, divide the things that you need by categories. That is going to make it more intuitive for you to fill the gaps on what you're going to need. You have, for example, food, sleep, baby gear, transportation, toys, what mom needs. That's a big tip. I think you should also think about baby registry for mom as well, because Moms are going to need many things for them too as well when they go through giving birth or a pregnancy, and if you want to include that on your registry, I think that's also kind of sweet. If someone wants to give something for a mom, you can think of things that you are going to need, like, I don't know, a nice pajama or your pumping set, or things that mom is going to need to recover from giving birth, surgery, hospitalization. All of those things are going to be great to add to your registry too. Once you have that list of things divided by category, make sure that you add not only things that you know you need, but also things you want and that will make you happy if other people could get them for you. For example, I was super excited to get a nice cover for a changing pad. It was going to be one of the few things that had color in our baby's room, and so I wanted a specific cute one. And when my brother asked me, what do you need from the registry, I was like, it's not about what I need, I actually really want you to get me these. And he bought it for me, and I thought that was super sweet. So put things that also will make you happy because you want them, not necessarily because you need them. And once you get that list, divide it by essential and non-essential. For example, we use this Amazon registry, and in Amazon you can put like a tag that says must have. That way you or other people know that you really are going to need that. Let's say a car seat is a must have, but if you want this particular kind of electronic toy for your baby or that super expensive monitor, may not be a must have for you, and so you should divide what is essential and what is not to buy, and also to make it, the goal here with the baby registry is to get to your due date with everything you need, right? But there's going to always be things that are gonna come up or that you don't need right away, you're gonna need in 6 months or so, that you don't need to purchase right away on your registry. So that can become also a non-essential, and you should prioritize the things you're going to need for sure when the baby is born. Number 4, don't only think about your budget, but think about whoever is going to buy those things too. For example, maybe you don't have a big budget, but you know for sure that grandma and grandpa are very happy to contribute and they have a huge budget, and maybe you can put on the registry the things that you know they can afford and they're gonna be happy paying for. For example, strollers, car seats tend to be more expensive. You can make sure that grandma and grandpa get those, but also if you have lots of friends that maybe are not gonna be able to pay like $200 for something, but they'll be happy to contribute $30, $40, $50. Make sure you get plenty of those things, and budget for whoever is buying. And also, to finish with this baby registry, I think you should ask a few questions to make sure that you're covering everything you are going to need for this baby. For example, you should ask yourself some questions such as, I am going to be breastfeeding, or I'm going to be formula feeding my baby. Is my baby going to sleep with me in my room? Therefore, I don't need a crib, or I don't need so many things for the first few months. Or is baby going to have his or her own room right away? What do I need to put on that room? Is baby going to share with a sibling? Ask a few questions. For example, do you travel a lot or not? Do you need a stroller that is going to be able to go in a plane with you? Or on the other hand, you go by car a lot, you're gonna have 2 cars. Do you need 2 car seats? Or does the car seat that I've chosen can be put into a different car without the base? Things like that help you get an idea, mentalize, because when you have a baby, so many things change, and you're gonna need so many different things that you've never thought of. Suddenly you're gonna start thinking about it and come up with a dozen things that you had never thought about. I remember when I was creating the baby registry, I freaked out because my thought was, and you may think it was a little stupid, but my thought was, this baby is going to come into this world with nothing. And that thought freaked me out a lot. Right now, my house is full of baby stuff, so I know what I was thinking about. Everywhere I look, there's baby stuff. But before, I was freaking out that I needed to get so many things for this tiny human being that had nothing. It was gonna come out to this world with nothing, and that paralyzed me. I don't know why, maybe like it was my mom, right, and hormones or whatever, right? But I was freaking out about that. So if you ask yourself these questions and try to get your mindset into what your life with a baby is going to look like, it's going to be much easier to create this baby registry. Please don't forget to watch my next video and see how I created our Amazon registry. I 100% recommend doing it through Amazon. So if you want to know how I did it and why we chose Amazon, watch my next video. I'm gonna try to link it down below whenever I post it. And also make sure to subscribe, leave this video a thumbs up, and also comment down below what you need for your registry, if you have any questions, if I can help some way. And also make sure to subscribe. I upload videos about babies, pregnancy, maternity, motherhood, things like that. So thank you for watching this video and see you soon. Thank you so much for watching. Don't forget to subscribe, give this video a thumbs up, and share it. I will be uploading new videos every week. See you soon.